Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, please subscribe. I would so totally love that. And if you're returning, how you doing? In today's video, I'm going to share some recipes with you for some cleaning supplies. Now, we all know that like Clorox wipes, Lysol wipes, they are still very, very scarce in our stores. So these are recipes that I have found, I have tweaked myself, and these are things that you already have in your home, so you can make your own Lysol wipes, Clorox wipes, even baby wipes, okay? And you can use paper towels, or you could do what I have been doing and just take, if you have any t-shirts or clothes, anything, you know, like these shirts were Andrew's shirts and Sean's shirts that they don't wear anymore. You know, they had holes in them or whatever. Hi, Stormy. No, no, no. Come on, get down. Yes, that's a good boy. Come on. Good boy. So, anyway, yeah. Hi, Penelope. Yeah, everyone wants to get in front of the camera today. So anyway, you just want to, if you have any old t-shirts that you can cut up, you know, yeah, I do buy paper towels, but, you know, those are, you know, to clean up, you know, if we have a mess in the house from one of the pets, which is a rarity, but, you know, come on, we have pets, you know, let's not be shy about that. But anyways, yeah, it's just more economical, you know, because to use like old t-shirts or whatever to make rags out of. Stormy bug, no. Because at least with these, you can wash them and reuse them. So I'm just going to show you and share with you my recipes, okay? You want to get some Tupperwares or whatever, you know, containers that have lids. And the first one that I'm going to share with you is like my version for Clorox wipes. Stormy bug. No, not today, son. You're not, no, son. No, okay? Lord. Okay. So the first one is going to be for Clorox wipes, okay? And you want to, this will be, I'll share with you for one thing. Okay, this is 1 cup of water. Or you can do however much you want, okay? So I'll make a lot because, you know, I clean every single day with these guys. So I'll do 1 cup of water, okay? I'll give you the recipe for a single, I don't want to say single serving, but my head automatically goes right to cooking. Oh, God. It's terrible. Okay, so 1 cup of water, but I'm going to do 2 cups of water, okay? 1 teaspoon of bleach, but I'm going to do 2 teaspoons of bleach. Take this off my ring. I feel like a janitor with all of these. It's terrible. I've had these spoons for so long. Okay, now 2 teaspoons of dish soap, but in my case I'm going to do 4 teaspoons of dish soap. My favorite dish soap is Dawn, but you know, use what you have. This is just a way of saving money and trying to not, you know, rack your brain on where to find Clorox wipes and Lysol wipes and things like that. And just mix that around. Now, if you're like me and you like to have the the good smelling stuff, you know, whether it's lemon or lavender or whatever. You can also add essential oils, which is what I'm going to do. And two of my favorite essential oils is rose and jasmine. Is it jasmine? Is that what this one is? Yeah, sweet pea and jasmine. And I also make my own like linen spray, like Febreze. And I'll tell you, because I spray like the couches down, the curtains, the linens. I spray everything down, and I'll show you. I have it right here. Okay, this is just fill it up to like right here with water. Put a few drops of your favorite essential oil, and then put some Dawn dish soap in there because you know it breaks up the oily, but it doesn't take away the essential oil smelly stuff. And shake it up a little bit, and then just start spraying around, and it does the same thing as Febreze. Actually, I think it works better than Febreze, but that's just my opinion. Okay, and now I'm going to take some essential oil. Spray that around. And then I'm just going to add a few rags in here. And you just want to mix these in. Okay. And then you'll be good with Clorox wipes. And then, you know, just keep this recipe around, you know, and then these rags will be good, and just, you know, wash them. And then you'll be good with Clorox wipes for, you know, a while, because these ingredients you have in your house, right? Or am I the only one? I don't think I'll be the only one to have these ingredients in my house. But these are great, you know, for the bathroom, for the kitchen, everywhere, really. I'll just seal this up and put this underneath my kitchen sink. And especially for when we do our canning, it's really good to have those wipes around, you know, so when we're canning poultry or any kind of meats, you know, you got to wipe everything down. So the next one that I'm going to make is Lysol wipes, which, you know, is equivalent to a Clorox wipe. It's just there's no bleach in this one. So same thing, 1 cup of water, but in my case, I'm going to do 2 cups of water. Now, with this one, you want to use alcohol, rubbing alcohol. I like to use 91%. But if you only have like 70% or whatever, use what you already have, please. Because 91% alcohol, the only place I have ever found it is Family Dollar. And right now, it's hard to even get this stuff right now. So use what you already have, please, okay? You want to do 6 tablespoons for 1 cup of water. And I don't even think I have 6 tablespoons, but here's to hoping. Where is my, here it is. Yeah, and then there goes my spoon. Oh, God. Oh, good. And I still have enough left over to do another batch if I wanted. All right, awesome. So now you want to do 2 tablespoons of dish soap, which I will do 4 tablespoons of dish soap for my bowl. And again, use your dish soap that you already have. And then if you want to include essential oils, by all means. Stir that around a bit. And for this one, I'll use the rose essential oil. That smells so darn good. Alright, now I'll just throw some rags in here. And get that to soak up. Now, like when I wash my rags, I wash them separately. I don't put them in with clothes, so. Because, you know, they've got, those ones have bleach in them and stuff like that. So you don't want these to go in with your clothes. So, alright. Now that's done. Now, for the third one, these are baby wipes. Now the baby wipes, you know, keep these in your bathroom because you can, you know, use them as well if you can't get your hands on flushable wipes. But for the baby wipes, if you want to use paper towels, go right ahead. But the only thing is that it, you know, if it scratches your, you know, the baby's bottom or whatever the case may be, you know, like I said, with these rags, you can also throw them away because, you know, do you know what, you see what I mean? Or unless you can find very, very soft paper towels, tissue, okay, but tissue is not going to be strong enough, you know, it's going to break apart. Or, you know, if you just want to use baby wipes, you know, to, you know, wipe the, you know, wipe your skin off or, you know, whatever, you know. Okay, the baby wipes will be 1 cup of water, but I'm doing 2. Where is it? Ah, I left it over there on the dining room table. Excuse me. Penelope, why? Okay, now you want to get yourself some liquid baby bath soap. Use 1 tablespoon, or in my case, I'll be using 2 tablespoons. And I like the lavender one myself, so. And then you want to get yourself either some, do you have baby oil or coconut oil? Gotta put some in the microwave just to melt it just a little bit. Or is this, you know what, I think this is melted enough. 2 tablespoons. baby. What are you doing? What are you doing? Alright, now just mix this around a bit. And then that's it. And then you can just either put some rags in there, or you could put some paper towels in there. I'll put paper towels in there so you can see. Alright, now you have your own baby wipes, okay? And these are going to be just as gentle as the Huggies. If anything, I think it'll be more gentle because you're using organic coconut oil. You're using, you know, the lavender baby bath and water. So, you know, if anything, these might be a little bit more gentle than the stuff that's already made, like Huggies and Loves and things like that. So that's it, okay? So these are just alternatives to things that we can't get in stores right now, because I know that buying Lysol wipes and Clorox wipes is still an issue right now. So this is my solution to a lot of problems right now. And that's it. That's all for this video, guys. All right. I love you, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.